Story time. So last year when I was at the gym, this old guy, probably like 70 years old, comes up to me and says, "Excuse me, miss, but you remind me a lot of my cat." At first, I looked at him and I was like, okay, maybe I didn't hear him right. And then he started to go on and say, "My cat is very soft, she's fluffy, and she looks just like you. She's a Siamese cat." I was so shook at this moment, I didn't know what to say. And then he asked me, "Do you have a cat?" I said, "Yeah, her name is Sophie." And he said, "Oh, that is a very sweet name. The next cat I get, I'm going to name her Sophie just because of you."
Mostra para todo mundo no TikTok que você é uma menina educada e vai bater aqui e todo mundo vai te dar coraçãozinho, ok? Vambora, bate aí. Bora.
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight.
Are you ready to give birth today? Is that a yes? That's a no. Yeah. Okay. Anything else to say? Gotcha.
No, Mother. That's what I thought.
Sock and a pair of scissors, and you're going to begin to just cut the toe off of the sock. However you can do it, that's fine. It's kind of tough, but you can get it. Once you do, just kind of toss that sucker away. You don't need it anymore. And now you want to stretch the sock out. You don't want it to be too narrow, so you're going to bunch it up like this and give it a nice pull. That way it's loose enough for you to be able to do this.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right.
Let's go ahead and start.